Hey guys, Zach with CRV Power Sports and CFMoto USAParts.com. Doing a quick install video on the UForce 1000 air filter. A couple of you guys were having some issues getting it in, and we're going to show you today what those common issues are and how to overcome those. So first thing, tip your box up, and then I find it easiest if you ever a window, pull it out, get in the cab to reach over top. All right, so first thing you're going to do, guys, come in here, pop these tabs, remove your air filter cover, loosen the hose clamp, remove stock air filter, take your new CRV Power Sports Uni air filter, put the hose clamp on. Now sometimes this hose clamp's on already. You do need to loosen it up first because it pinches this collar too much. And one thing we need to look for is the back of this filter where it sits here. What happens is some of you guys get this filter like that in there and the cover doesn't go on all the way. And we need to make sure we get this collar fully seated too. So what we're gonna do, set this on. And I like to start with the back side of the filter, try the best I can. All right, so you're gonna take the filter and sometimes give it a little twist like that. That'll help get that on. So start that filter and just give it a little twist and it'll pop right on there just like that. And then right now, that's what we're talking about. This is sticking out. So take this filter, get it in there just like that. Sometimes it does want to fight you and pop out a little bit. I'm going to need that. So now we got the filter in here. We need to tighten this hose clamp. And then take your airbox cover, stick it back on. We're going to take and push, so this filter right now is pushed out where some of you are having issues. What you need to do is get it in and see how it just sat in. So now we're in there all the way.